Good afternoon to all of you. My name is Oshi Jain. Today's Viva topic is the biggest fool in the kingdom story. In heart of the majestic kingdom in Arcadia, there live a knight whose name becomes synonyms with the folly and pride. Sir, previously the boastful renowned for her skill, she was scored his penchant for tall tales. She previously often regaled the townsfolk with the exegete stories of his valorous deeds. One day, a whispers of a fearsome dragon terrorizing the countryside spread like wildfire. Sir Prickle saw an opportunity to prove his mettle with his chest puff out and his voice booming. The proclaim in the town square, "Fear not, noble citizens, for I, Sir Privily, shall single-handedly slay the trigger dragon and rid our land of its courage." In the townsfolk, captivated by his brave cheer and applaud, his heart swelling his hope. But as Sir Privily set off his quest, his loyal squire, a wise and humble lad named Thomas, offer a word of caution. Sir Thomas said, his voice trigger with the concern, "The dragon is said to be might and cunning. Him we must proceed with the cautions." But Sir Privacle, blinded by his own ordinance, brushed aside. Thomas' were words of wisdom. "Fear not, young squire," he declared, a dimissively wave of his hand. "I am Sir Prickle the brave, and no dragon shall stand in my way." Days turned into weeks, and still there was no signs of Sir Privacle returns. The people of Arcadia wait with the bated breath, their hopes dwindling the each passing days. And then one fateful morning, a figure appeared on his horizon. Dragon behind him had large tracker sacks. The towns of rushed to great Sir Privacle, this face filled with anticipations. But as the drew closer, their excitement turns to the disbelief. For instead of a mighty dragons, Sir Privacle had returned with naught but a sack full of oversized vegetables plucked from a nearby farm. Shame and humiliations washed over Sir Privacle as the truth came to light. The townsfolk shook their heads in disappointment. Their fate in the once revered knights shared, and thought Sir Privacle tried to save his reputation with grandiose tales of epic battles. His words fell on deaf ears. In the end, Sir Privacle was forced to accept the consciousness of his folly, but from the day forward, he vowed to heed the lessons of humility and wisdoms, learning that the true brave is not found in the boastful words, but in the noble deeds and selflessness. And so the legend of Sir Privacle, the boastful knights who become known as the biggest fool in the kingdom, live on a cautionary tales for generations to become a reminder that pride comes before a fall, that true courage lies not a bravado, but in a humility and honor. The story of the biggest fool in the kingdom teach us the boastings and arrogance often leads to downfall and humiliation. Sir Privacle pride blended him to advice to others, caused him to embark on a fulfilled quest, ended in embarrassment. Through his journey, we learn the importance of humility, wisdoms, and listens to the counsel of the others. True bravery is not found in empty boast, but in the quiet strength of humility and the willingness to learn from more mistakes. The tales of the biggest fool in the kingdom also highlight the importance of self-awareness, honesty. Sir Privacle inflamed ego led him to believe its own exaggerated tales, causing him to true challenges he faced. By confronting his own folly and accepting responsibility for his actions, Sir Privacle eventually learns the value of humility and integrity. Thus, the story serves as a reminder that acknowledging our weakness and embracing honesty with ourselves and others is essential for growth and redemptions. Then Only Fowler, accepting responsibilities for his actions, Sir Plivackle eventually learns the value of humility and integrity. Thus, the story serves as a reminder, acknowledging our weakness, honesty, ourselves, and other is essential for growth and redemptions. The moral of the story is that pride and arrogance can lead to folly, embarrassment, while humanity and wisdom are true marks for brave and honor.